Guys, gagawa ako ng quick dinner, guys. So, I have here 2 ribeye steak, asparagus, butter, at saka garlic. So, ang gagawin ko, guys, ay ipapan fry ko na lang siya, guys. Yung ribeye steak with butter and garlic. Syempre, isi-season ko muna yung ribeye steak, guys. Ito yung gagamitin kong seasoning, guys. All-purpose rub. Perfect for beef, pork, and chicken, at saka fish. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin kong pang season, guys. Since yung butter, meron din itong salt. So, hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng iba pang seasoning. So, ang gagawin ko, guys, ay ipapan fry ko muna ng konti yung ribeye steak dito sa olive oil. Mamaya ko na siya ipa-fry with the butter and garlic. Kasi minced garlic yung meron ako, guys. Masusunog siya agad, guys. Sunog na yung garlic, pero yung ribeye steak ay hindi pa siya luto. Prituhin na natin, guys. Konti lang yung olive oil. Ayan. Gasan ko muna ang asparagus, guys. So, guys, tingnan nyo. Ayan lang, parang golden. Konti lang, hindi masyadong ano. Ayaw naman natin yung maluto masyado kasi baka titigas. Ayan lang siya, guys. Tapos lalagyan ko ng butter mamaya with the minced garlic. Ito lang yung minced garlic na mayroon ako, guys. Oh. Ganyan. Kaya madali siyang masunog. Kaya mamaya ko na siya ilalagay kasama yung butter. Tapos itong ribeye steak, guys, ay bigay lang din sa akin ng kaibigan ko si Ate Mercy. Kasi mayroon silang ranch. So, recently, pumunta sila sa ranch nila. Nag-butcher sila ng baka. So, kaya binigyan ako ng oxtail at saka itong ribeye steak. Ayan, guys. Kaya swerte ko may mga namimigay dito, guys. Kahit fresh farm eggs. Kasi mayroon silang masariling mayroon silang chicken coop, chicken farm. Ayan, nilagay ko na yung butter, guys. So, yan ang gusto ng asawa ko, guys. Maraming garlic. Low heat lang ito, guys. Para hindi agad masunog. Okay, makita nyo yung garlic o medyo nag-brown na siya. Pero okay lang. Ang gusto ng asawa ko, maraming garlic. Ayan. Sarap. Pango na, guys. In the same pan, guys, ilalagay ko yung asparagus. Pero maglalagay ako ng onion. Gusto ko kasi may onion, guys. Sayang naman, diba? May naiwan pang may natira pang mga garlic. Oh, sayang. Tapos ilalagay ko lang yung asparagus. Papa-steam ko lang ito mismo dito, guys, sa pan. Medyo maliit yung pan ko para dito. Pero okay lang. Curry yan, guys. Curry. Lalagyan ko lang to ng seasoning guys, salt and pepper. Yun lang. O baka garlic powder na rin. Takpan ko lang to guys para ma-steam. Lagyan ko muna ng pepper. Konti lang asin guys. Takpan ko siya guys. Ayan. Lagyan ko ng konting tubig pala guys. Para naman di masunog yung onion. Konti lang. Ayan, luto na guys. Okay na ito. Ayan. Ayan na guys. Luto na ang ribeye steak and asparagus. Ayan guys, so sarap. Gagawa pa ako ng fried rice guys. The twins are here already. Galing sila ng school. Kanya-kanyang ano na, record ng dancing nila.
Go on dancing this. Baby,
Magpa-fried rice ako guys kasi marami akong bahaw. Ayan guys, so may bahaw. Ninit ko lang yung oil. Olive oil.
I just wanna love you. This is my motion.
Ayan guys, nagluto rin ako ng garlic fried rice. At ito yung asparagus and the ribeye steak. Ayan. Kain na si Patty dinner. Si Ariana ayaw pa guys. Andun pa siya naglalaro sa labas. Yung asawa ko kumain na din. Konti lang kasi pag dinner, hindi siya masyadong kumakain ng marami guys. Light dinner lang siya. It's hot? Hot? Be careful.
I like this.
It's a ribeye steak and asparagus. I cut the asparagus into little tiny pieces. Easy for you to chew and swallow. So we're on our way guys to their classmates' birthday party. They're going to do it in the Confetti Kids Club. Indoor playground siya guys. So it's going to be a 2 hours birthday party. So on the way na kami guys. So it's 19 minutes driving guys. 19 minutes ang layo from our house to this place. Not bad. We've been there once guys last year. Kaya hindi na bago sa amin yung place. Are you okay girls? Are you excited? Okay, that's good. Dito na kami guys. Ayan yung tambal yun. Windy. Medyo malamig kaya may dala akong sweater guys. She's there. Ito yung name guys. Confetti Kids Club. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Oops! Yes. You're the mom? Ah, okay. Come on, go. Go. Oh.
You have to sign a waiver.
Okay.
So you do have to sign the and keep your stuff all together. And then
Ariana and then Patricia.
Yeah.
I'm not your
Are you planning on staying?
Yes, I'm staying with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. And what was your name?
Irene. Yeah, you can get the socks. Yeah,
I already have some.
I know, but they're giving you a socks. Would you like purple or
I
yellow?
don't
You got purple already. You get yellow, yeah. Get yellow, yes. Are we good to go?
yes.
Oh, Ariana,
I
did
don't
you?
need to
Okay.
wear this.
Oh, thank you so much. You can do it, Pat. Keep going, Pat. Yay! Come on, Pat. Yay! Wow! Woo! Yay! Hey, good job! Woo! Good job, Batman! Good job! Ayan, ang mahabang slide, guys. Maraming tao ngayon kasi Saturday. Dito yung birthday party room. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Happy birthday to you. Blow out. Cupcake time. A spring dress. A spring dress, yeah. Yeah? Cool, yeah. Take your time, Yana. Don't be rushed.
This time going right now, which means that you all will be yellow Mercia. You have accepted a couple of hours the other day. You have yellow Mercia. Grab your shoes, go to the back, and go to the box of the yellow. Take the break.
Wow! Tapos na guys yung party. Pauwi na kami guys. Say bye guys. Bye girls.
Bye.
Pauwi na muna kami guys. Bye.